We're gonna head out to some property. They're putting a major like freeway detour type system. I think it's called I-9 or something like that, through several cities around me. And I happened to look on some old aerial photos, and they had bought up some property and then just removed the houses. Oh, hang on a minute. Look at them getting some. Look at them getting some.
What you want, what you want,
Yeah.
what you gonna do?
You gotta slow down, people. It's cheaper. Anyway, so I saw where they had torn down these houses, and so I figured, hey, I'm gonna go over there and poke on those. My back's been bothering me, but you know, I'll work through that. It is what it is. But I got to get over here and check these out. It's muddy. It's been raining. But I think we're gonna have a pretty good hunt over here. We'll see. I know it's gonna be trashy when they tear down houses, but it is what it is. We're gonna see what we can pull out of the ground anyway. So we'll see you on the first good hole later.
Woke up this morning, I'm feeling around to my shoes. You know by that I must have had them walking blues. Woke up this morning, people, I'm feeling around to my shoes. Well, you know by that I must have had them walking blues. Feel like blowing my lonesome home. I got up this morning, all I had was gone. You know I feel like blowing my lonesome home. You know I got up this morning, all I had was gone. Tell me these old worried blues ain't bad. They're the worst old feeling I most ever had, you know.
A little exercise in. Just looking on some old maps and coming out and checking some of these areas out here in the middle of nowhere. I found one wheat penny so far. Actually, the signals are kind of scarce, but I did come across something cool, so I figured I'd videotape it. And it's going to be a little toy car. It's muddy, but you can tell that's an army Jeep. And what's funny is I found a military button already. I just didn't video it. So it's kind of nice to find, yeah, if I can get that settled. It's muddy. You might not see it on there, but let me see if I can give it a little wipe. There you go. That's a cool little military button, and it's kind of cool. It got me a little military Jeep. So we'll see what else we can get today. It's raining pretty bad. Everything's muddy, but we're giving it a shot later. Well, still going at it out here in the middle of nowhere. This company came through and bought up all this property here. Like I said, it's just in preparation for some I-9 or something coming through all these properties as freeway. And get out here poking around where these residents used to be, and it looks like I got a little piece of silver. About 6 inches deep. We're gonna have ourselves a little rosy. You know, all these houses here that were in this area were put in the 50s. So, and this one's that's a little young silver, 1960. But it's silver nonetheless, and we'll take it. So my back was killing me yesterday, and it still hurts today, but it's feeling a lot better. So we're gonna get out and see what we can get today. So that's the first hole of the day, and it came out silver. Well, still going at it out here, and this is the second couple weeks that I have found an odd or a cool, you know, good luck token. I wiped it off a little bit, not knowing what it was. But there it is, and I don't believe Nope, this one don't have the swastika on the good luck deal, so. But it does say, it looks like it says Houston, Texas. It's got a hole in it. It's got some other writing on it. San Jacinto or something like that. But that's a cool little token. We're still going at it. Still trying to find another silver. We're still going at it out here in all this property and everything. The house used to sit right here, and it was the first house of the 4 that were right here. And I started digging up these here, and I thought, hey, those are kind of cute. They're like little minis, like a little mini shovel, like a little mini pickaxe. And I thought, that is too cool. I've never seen anything like that. And I got another hit in the hole, and I pulled out a nail, and I was just using my pinpointer here, just trying to, you know, feel around there. And it looks like I got a ring. Yeah, I got a ring. And that looks silver to me. So let me get this cleaned up, and I'll be right back. Yeah, there it is. And it's definitely a ring, and it looks more likely it's going to be silver. But everything is so muddy out here right now. I mean, my gloves are caked up. Everything's caked up because of the rain, but that looks like that's going to be silver to me. But that is too cool. Got me a ring and a couple little digging utensils. Those are really cute. I wonder how many more are here in the ground, but we'll figure them out. It was really cool to get these, but then to pluck this out here is that's my second silver out here, so I'm loving it. So we'll keep going. We'll see you on the next good hole. I'll take a ring all day long. Later. Okay, so I got an 88, 89. I'm thinking it's shallow, clad quarter, because I've got a lot of bit of clad out here. These houses were here as recently in the 2000 something, and just flipped it, and looky there. That looks like that is fully intact. Wow. That is too cool. Holy crap. Oh man. That is just too cool. Fully intact. The trigger's in it. It looks a little bent, but well, hell, the whole gun looks a little bent, but that is just too cool. Fully intact. Oh, I'm so glad I came out here. Woo! Let's get going to the next hole. I'm still going at it. I found a couple wheat pennies. I just haven't videoed any of them. There's a wheat penny right there. You know, you can kind of see how tall this stuff is right here. So it's a little difficult to swing in some spots, but got me a little weedy. You know, these houses were built in the 50s, so this is probably going to be a 1950 something. But we'll get a date off of it, get it cleaned up. On to the next hole. Later.
Some people tell me these old worried blues ain't bad. They're the worst old feeling I most ever had, you know. Some people tell me these worried blues ain't bad. You know they're the worst old feeling I'm most ever had. From his head down to his toes, breaks in on a dollar most anywhere he goes. his head down to it. Lord, he break in on $1 most anyway.